Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Brown color, violet color, black color, dark green color, sky blue color, light green color, red color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, dark blue color. Let's learn some alphabets. A for avocado. B for broccoli. C for cherry. D for dragon. E for eggplant. F for flowers. G for grapes. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lollipop. M for mango. N for nuts. O for ox. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for sky. T for train. U for uniform. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yum. Z for zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Hello! Let's learn some colors. Black color, purple color, dark green color, orange color, red color, brown color, yellow color, light blue color. Let's learn some numbers and shapes. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Let's learn some shapes. triangle, circle, heart, star, square. Light blue color. Number 1. Number 1. Purple color. Number 2. Number 2. Red color. Number 3. Number 3. Orange color. Number 4. Number 4. Black color. Number 5. Number 5. Violet color. Number 6. Number 6. Yellow color. Number 7. Number 7. Dark green color. Number 8. Number 8. Brown color. Number 9. Number 9. Light green color. Number 10. Number 10. Red color. Triangle. Pink color. Circle. Orange color. Heart. Violet color. Star. Light green color. Square. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Red color triangle. Pink color circle. Orange color heart. Violet color star. Light green color square. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.